Welcome! In this short video, we're going to take a look at Yammer. Just to remind you, Yammer is a private social media tool that we're going to be using for our weekly discussions in lieu of the typical discussion board you would use in an online course. So first, how do you determine which Yammer group you've been assigned to? You're going to go to the Weekly Learning Units folder, and then you're going to go to the Pre-Work folder, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see that there are two Yammer groups, Group 1 or Group 2. Find your name, and that's the group you've been assigned to. If you don't see your name, make sure you email me right away and I can assign you to a group. The next thing you need to do is sign up for which week you'll be contributing your initial post. During our first 4 weeks, you will only contribute an initial post 2 of those 4 weeks. During our last week, week 5, everybody will be contributing an initial post. In order to sign up for which week you can be contributing an initial post, you're going to click on the sign up sheet. This will take you to a Google form. Remember to only sign up for 2 of the 4 weeks. To determine which weeks you should sign up for to contribute your initial post, I recommend considering your schedule and then also the topic we'll be discussing this week. You can even look ahead to those weeks and see what the instructions are for those discussions. Remember, even if you're not contributing an initial post, you still will be participating in the discussion. Everyone will be required to comment and like and participate in every discussion, even if you're not contributing an initial post. If you're contributing an initial post, you're still required to participate in the discussion by commenting and liking. And again, see the syllabus for the requirements for your participation. All right, next you're probably wondering, how do I access Yammer? There's 3 places you can access Yammer. First, there's a link in the syllabus. Second, you can always go into your Weekly Learning Unit folder, go into the week that we're working in, click on the folder. Next, you're going to scroll down, and where you see Participate in your group Yammer discussion, click here. You can click there and it will take you directly to Yammer. If you're not signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, you will need to sign into your account using your college username and password, the same that you used to log into Blackboard or your email. The last place that you can access Yammer is just by going into office.com, logging in, again using your college username and password, and Yammer is listed as a tool for you to choose. Once you're in Yammer, you'll automatically see some posts. These are to the All College page. Do not post to the All College page, or everyone who participates in Yammer will read your post. Instead, you're going to be participating in your group discussions, which will be listed over here. If you've never participated in Yammer, you won't have a group discussion listed here. Instead, what you're going to have to do is search for your group's week 1 discussion. So for example, you'll type in, based on the instructions in the Weekly Learning Unit folder, HLT 150 Group 1, for example, if you're in Group 1, or Group 2 if you're in Group 2, and then Week 1 discussion. Each week, there'll be a new group link to click on for that discussion. You'll hit enter, you'll find the discussion. You'll then request access to that discussion. You'll have to do this for the first week only. Once you're in Yammer, then I will be able to recognize that you have entered Yammer and add you to all of the following discussions. So you'll only have to do this for the first week. The following weeks, when you're ready to post, make sure you find your proper group number and the proper week number and contribute in that discussion. So let's take a look at the Group 1 Week 1 discussion, for example. Once you go in, you're going to automatically see if anybody's posted. Every week I'll post the instructions for your contributions. When you're ready to contribute your initial post, you just start typing in this box. You can type whatever you want to say in here. Make sure that the content of your post is typed in here and not attached as a Word document. And then when you want to comment to somebody's post, you just write a reply. So you would start typing in here whatever you want to say, and then you click post when you're ready to share. If you'd like to like what somebody has said, you can just click the like button, just like you would in social media. You can also choose to reply this way. Instead of just clicking in the box, this will open up another box for you. You can share. You can even edit your post. There's many different things that you can do. I recommend going into Yammer and trying it out. If you would like to get a head start on our course, I recommend that you do. You might even want to get a head start on your initial post if you sign up for week 1. I will not be accepting requests to enter the discussions until Friday before the start of our course. This is so that our discussion is going on while we're all present and available to be discussing. I don't want it to start before our course has actually started. All right, that's all there is to posting in Yammer. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm always here to help.